Do you need a sauce that's good for absolutely everything? Well, then you gotta try this delicious Sambal Sauce. Whether it's meat, rice, vegetables, seafood, this sauce is good for absolutely everything. Let's get started. Start by soaking the dried shrimp in water. Next, thinly slice the shallots. Now combine the dried shrimp, garlic, and ginger into a food processor. This is the Belachan I'll be using today. The thinner you cut it, the easier it is to melt. In a pot on medium-high heat, add the Belachan and oil. Stir fry until aromatic, then turn off the heat. Now add all of the chopped ingredients. Add oil and turn on the heat to medium-low. Now add the Bayleaf, Caraway Seeds, and star anise. Continue to simmer for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can remove from the heat. If you'd like, you can remove the bay leaf and star anise. Now we can add the chili oil. I'll be using Lao Gan Ma for this recipe. Lastly, add some sugar and salt. Subscribe and like for more recipes using this sauce. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.